Hello. My name is Marina. I am a student with Forex for Beginners Academy, and it has worked for me because it has completely fast-tracked my knowledge about Forex, and it's completely free. The administrator is always there if you have any questions. So they also pair you with a trusted broker, and then they show you about everything that you need to know about Forex, starting with support resistance, pip calculation, the risk management, the psychology of a trader, and it's so much information that all you need is your computer, the charts, and give it everything that you got, because this course will completely change your life. And I hope you go ahead and not waste any more time. Stop wasting time, stop wasting money. Check it out. It is completely free.